Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I am here to show you part 2 of my one-day savings order. Thank you, One Day Savings, for sending things to me to show everybody. I have some fun stuff here, a little variety. Yeah, we have variety today. So if you're new here, there might be something here for you. Maybe you don't diamond paint. Maybe you like crochet. Maybe you like to knit. Whatever. I hope you find something that's on my channel that you enjoy, that brings you back time and time again, and you become one of the regulars. Subscribe and all of that fun stuff. And regulars, I know some of you are yarny people, some of you are not, some of you are strictly diamond painting, but you know, we got to mix it up and show a little bit of everything. All right, so let's get to it. Let's do the yarn stuff first. All right, so yes, budget-friendly companies have yarn, crochet hooks, accessories, tools, all of that stuff. So this is what I got this time. I got some more yarn. I like to try out their yarns. They're all just these little balls of yarn. They're probably like 50-gram balls. This one is not a bad weight right here, honestly. I mean, it's probably, that could be a 3-weight, right? It's an acrylic, I'm certain of that, but it's super soft. It's really, really soft. No information that we can read on the label. No, not at all. But it's really soft. And this color is like, whoa, it is that bright. It is this vibrant, almost neon pink color. So soft, though. So, I mean, after a while, I'm going to have a bunch of these, right? And I'll be able to do something with them all, right? That's the plan, anyhow. So we got the pink, and then we got this pretty, I don't know, some people might call it periwinkle. I call it like a cornflower blue. Super pretty. You can see it almost has a little shimmer to it there. Got a nice little twist on it. It's very pretty. I really like it. So, yeah, I got a couple yarns. Nice, right? For yarny people. Okay. What else do we have for the yarn people? We got a set here. Let's look at this. What all comes in here? It's got a nice little case. I can tell you that already. All right. Let's get it out. So it says crochet for a happier you. This is kind of like a plasticky feeling, but not plastic. You know, it's, anyhow, it'll be kind of water resistant. It's got a nice zipper on it. So let's open it up and let's see what all is inside. Come on. Okay, here we go. Ready? Boom. Oh my, lots of stuff, right? Lots and lots of goodies. Let me zoom you in a little bit. Okay, so let's start over here with all of this. Oh, wow, there's more hooks. Okay, so we have, I know that this is like a stitch holder if you knit that holds stitches. This is a sizer, and I don't know if these work for crochet hooks. I really don't think that they do. I think they're just for knitting needles. Tell you what size your knitting needles are. Although, look, these are like crochet hook sizes over here. Let's see. Let's just try something. What is this one? I don't even know how this would work for crochet hooks. What do you put in there? I don't know. So this is a 2. All right. So let's see. 2. Does that mean, what does that mean? It doesn't go through there. What? Can you see? Hello. Focus. It doesn't go in there. So how can that measure that? I don't know. I don't know. What part measures it? If it's for crochet hooks. No clue. How could you measure that? It doesn't fit. I don't know. I just don't know how they work. Okay? What about this? What about this guy over here? Let's try this. What do we got here? A 1. Oh. 1 goes through there. Maybe this one's the, no, 2 point, I don't know. Tell me if you know. Tell me if you know about these, and do they work for crochet hooks? How does that work? I have no idea. Let's try a big one. I'm just playing with it now. Let's see. 6. Where's the 6? No, see, they don't go through. I don't know. Okay, I'm done. Anyhow, there's that. And the stitch holder. In here, we got all kinds of goodies. I'm not going to take them all out, I don't think. These go on the ends of knitting needles. I know that. These are little row or stitch counters. If you're counting, do your little count, right? There's another one of those. These guys, again, I know that's knitting. some darning needles, stitch markers, measuring tape, and I believe this last item is scissors. I believe. Yep, these are little scissors. Okay, so lots of little notions here that you may need as you are knitting or crocheting, right? Okay, let's put all that back in there. All right, now let's look at the hooks. So you saw the wooden ones. We got a wooden set, and they're all nicely placed in this case. So these are interesting. They're kind of like flat, as you can tell. They're like flat wood. It's very smooth. That's a 1.5. I don't know how that would work. Now, if you're a knife crocheter, I can see this being a good grip. For me, I don't know. I'd have to try them. They're super smooth though, which is really nice. So the smallest one was a 1, and then it goes up to a 1.25 and a 1.5. What else do we have here? Let's see. Come on, go back in. Don't want to go in. Okay, go this way then. 1.75, a 2, a 2.25, 2.5, and 2.75. So these are your little hooks over here. I have an old set of just steel hooks, and they're really little for these small sizes. I like that we have some with some handles on them to make them more comfortable for us. Then over here we get our larger hooks. So the smallest one over here is a 2. I love the colors. I love the grip on that one. It's got a nice little gripper for it. Okay, come on, don't look at the stuff underneath. It's got a nice little finger grip here. I kind of like that. I'd probably grip up a little more as I'm crocheting. I just need to try these out, right? Got some bumps on the back. I'm not certain what those are for. I love the colors of these. They got pretty colors. So that's a 2. This one is a 2.5, a 3, 3.5, 4, 4.55, 5.5, and our 6. So I love the design. I love the colors. I think those are fun. They're comfortable with that ergonomic handle. Nice little set, right? I'll link them below. I will link everything below. And they had, oh, hello. They had good prices as well. Things were really good prices. Here, sit in here, like stay. Perfect, stay. Okay, that's the yarny stuff. Okay, done with that. Next, we have diamond painting things. Okay, what do we have here? This was a new item I found, and I thought, oh, let's try it. I love to find new and unique items that you can diamond paint. How to do it, just in case you didn't know. Okay, so here's our toolkit. Here's our drills. This is a stand. Watch. I think this is how this works. Don't quote me. Do not quote me how this works. This is foam. All right. And it holds your phone. I put my phone in it, except I can't. My phone's up there. Pretend this is my phone. There, it leans in there. Your phone. It's a little phone stand. It's super cute. And this is diamond painted. It had different designs, of course. This is the one that I chose with the flowers. It's all made of this thick foam. It's very lightweight, but it's cute. It's going to hold a phone, right? It's going to hold a phone up. Just imagine it's my phone. All right. So what do we have for drills? Regular drills, yellows, blues. We have a couple of rhinestones as well. We have both. A mixture. It's a mixed media thing. Love it. Okay. Set him aside. He's fun. Fun, fun, fun. What do we have here? Last item. I know it's keychains. I see my chains here. Chain, chain, chain. There we go. There's our chains for our crochet hooks and our toolkit. Love it. Here's our drills. We'll look at those in a minute. What are our, oh yeah. These are fun. These are fun, fun, fun. That seems to be my new thing, fun, fun, fun. It used to be cute, cute, cute. Now it's fun, fun, fun. I just realized I did that. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Flippity floppity. Look at those. How cute. They're flip-flops. They're all flip-flops. 1 pair of flip-flops. 2. That almost looks like ice cream cones on the toes. Flowers. Love them. Oh, glare, 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 glare. Purple with sun flip-flops. Butterfly flip-flops. I love them. Aren't they cute? I love my flip-flops. So it's 5 keychains. We got the nice thicker plastic. These aren't too sticky either. Sometimes these get really, really sticky on the edges, but these aren't bad. There's a little stick there, but they're not bad. I love those. How cute. Oh my goodness. Yay. I need to work on some keychains. I haven't done any in a while. All right, here's what we have to work with. All of our fun drills. Now these kinds of projects that are off canvas have no legend. I think it's all rhinestones. Yep, it is. So it's just a bunch of different colors. Red, yellow, orange, aqua, pink, purple, clear, pink, ice blue, purple, peachy pink, blue, and gold color. So you just look at the bag, like this is M. Then you look over here, and look, I have M's. That's how you do it. So I normally open up a bag. This is what I do. I'll open up a bag, and I'll do all the M's everywhere. Now, it may not be on all the keychains. I know it's on this one, so I would do this side, and I would do that side. Then I look at the next one. Do we have any M's? Yep, right here and right here. Do those M's, both sides. Both sides. This one I don't think is going to have any M. Nope. And this one has some around the sun, of course. And I would do them all one color, and then that color's done, and I put it aside. Then I don't have to worry about kitting these up or putting them anywhere. When I'm done with them, I usually just, like if I'm done with the M's, I'll just roll them up and maybe put a little piece of Scotch tape on them, just in case I missed some and I need to come back. But if you're careful, I mean, these are easy to do. There's not that many drills. So yeah, I just do all one color at one time on all of them. And then after a while, sure, the plastic covering doesn't stick anymore, right? But that's okay. It doesn't have to. At that point, you know, you can put them on a piece of parchment paper. You could put them on a, I can't get this one even to start, on a piece of release paper or whatever. There it goes. Yeah, so after a while, they won't stick. There's just not enough sticky part exposed for them to stick down anymore, but that's fine. I like doing it that way. It just makes it easy. Anyhow, fun little things I found at One Day Savings. Hunt around, and you'll find all kinds of cool stuff. I will link all these below so you don't have to hunt, but I just like to hunt around and see what there is. Go to different tabs and go to different, you know, settings and find stuff. It's fun. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will talk to you real soon. Have a great day. Bye, you guys.